What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to take a look at something called switch statement. What does switch statement do is, let's say you have if statement you have to use multiple times. Let's say integer age, let's say integer age is equal to 3 or something, and then you want to do multiple tests, like if age is less than 3, do this. If age is greater than, okay, if age is less than 3, go and print out dot line. So you see there are multiple if statement, and you can try if age is less than 18, like that. You have to use multiple, you have to type this one multiple times, like if statement and print out all these things. You have to do it multiple times, and again, that's get complicated and too much work. To short that one, like to make it simple, we use a thing called switch statement. Switch statement does the same thing as if statement multiple times. Okay, now let's go ahead and look at an example. Let's say integer age is equal to 3, and I set the switch statement. To do that, I put switch and whatever the variable name we created, that's age in our case. So age, and then curly bracket start. Inside of this one we can create multiple cases, like as many as you want. First case is if the age is equal to number 1. If age is equal to 1, okay, then we are going to print out something called system dot out dot print ln. If age is equal to 1, we are going to say you can crawl. Okay, you can crawl, and then I end it with semicolon. Now like this, we after we done this, we have to go and do break. If you don't do break, it checks. Okay, if the age is equal to 1, let's say if it's right, let's say the age is 1, it goes and shows on the display, but it doesn't stop right there. It goes to the next one without stopping. So we have to do the break, like if the age is equal to 1, display this one, and then done with the code. That's it. Okay, so we have to use this break for every cases. Now let's go ahead and paste this one again. Now I'm going to create case 2. In case 2 is like if the age is equal to 2, we are going to say you can talk, and then I'm going to create another case 3. If the age is equal to 3, that's what's going to happen in our case, because the age is 3, we assigned age is equal to 3. It's going to say you can get in trouble. But let's say we don't we assign an age that is not fitting in any of these categories, like not 1, not 2, not 3. So we are going to create another thing called default. Default is anything other than 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it will go to the default. Again, it's the same thing, system dot out print ln, and in this one we are going to say I don't know how old you are. I don't know how old you are. Okay, now you can see we have like these are like if statements. Now when I run this one, which one will work? The thing it will work is case 3, because the case number is the number we assigned, like whatever the number, like if age is 3, go to this one, you can get in trouble. That's what it should show in the display. Let's go and run this one. Okay, you can get in trouble. If I put age 2, it should print the second one, you can talk. Okay, if I put age 1, it should print out the first one. Okay, you can crawl. Now let's put an age that not in this 3 category. Like we have age 1, age 2, age 3. Let's put something called something like 5, something like that. So it will go to the default, and then it's going to say I don't know how old you are. you can see that's how we can do multiple if statement in a simple way. Okay, I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you guys on my next tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys later.